she was not entitled to a claim of 10 million US dollars. Ghana case was pleaded and argued by the Deputy Attorney General, Dr. Justice Srem-Sai, and the former Chief Justice was represented by a well-known senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana. Otherwise, lawyer be Ghana. Na go for dami no way. I didn't go for dami ajama me no. Hey, what betray no. It is finished, Asa. Alfred the Munkanche, your former Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo, say Onjaso. ECOWAS Community Court of Justice dismissed all 7 claims brought by the former Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo against the Republic of Ghana. Now, some you sure say we are shocked. Now, guys, case in a trust home. Onjaso. Ogusu na court. Up $10 million for compensation because kwanya fa so pound no according to ono any lawyers and famra kwan so. But ECOWAS Community Court, Justice Srem-Sai, the Deputy Attorney General and Minister of Justice, ekodina mu argue Ghana. Na the real case no ko no. Me ba be church ni na mu. For now, obeka che ne say onyai. Na oma be bia enka. And as still on proceed and go court. Now, mamma no much feeling is and I dear crown am na so desperate. On your opportunities on step aside, and go step aside and go your compensation, but one step aside. Afi identity and osu. On chaso and I want to ask catch me our comment section as but be during there. It is finished. The ECOWAS Community Court of Justice dismisses all 7 claims brought by the former Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo against the Republic of Ghana. The court also declined to award the 10 million US dollars damages sought, stating that Ghana has not violated her rights under the African Charter. The ECOWAS court has just ruled in favor of the Ghana and dismisses former Chief Justice Torkornoo action on all claims. Now, way ruling according to your friend is Oliver Baka Vemoho, Papa no edi the ekosi here o ECOWAS court na ba di tubasi de tie nie. Na next time obi di etini a wetima correct kama say on naked truth ye kire mu etubasi e kire mu ye way from a lawyer point of view dey see here how the ECOWAS court as a witness ana medini na egu until finally Gertrude Torkornoo wagene dre ECOWAS Community Court. Also, the ECOWAS Court has just ruled in favor of Ghana and dismissed former Chief Justice Torkornoo action on all claim. The court found no violation of rights occurred and that she was not entitled to a claim of 10 million US dollars. Ghana case was pleaded and argued by the Deputy Attorney General, Dr. Justice Srem-Sai, and the former Chief Justice was represented by a well-known senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana. Otherwise, lawyer be Ghana. Na go for dami no way. I didn't go for dami ajama me no. Hey, what betray no? Yay, betray. Go for dami betray no. And you go for Nigeria ni Femi Falana. Now Femi Falana lost his cool after the judgment and made a remark that the judgment should be made available so all judges in the sub-region will know that they can't rule against their government. The court found the conduct and comments of Femi Falana unacceptable and did not expect that from him. Now they say, "Mami Gertrude Torkornoo, obi akofo ni bia no emotionally o problem. Kafra wati, David be amatan for afere." The court was impressed with submissions arguments made by the Justice Srem-Sai and upheld all of them. The court ruled as follows. Number 1, the suspension of the Chief Justice did not violate her right to work. The court rejects Torkornoo's claim that her suspension was arbitrary and motivated by ill will. Torkornoo was not arbitrarily dismissed. The court finds that due process was observed. Point 3, the Chief Justice claimed that she's also a member of the Supreme Court and Court of Appeal and High Court and should have been removed separately from all these courts absorbed. In the court's view, her membership of this court flowed flawed from her position as Chief Justice, and if she was no longer Chief Justice, she could not claim to be a member of all the separate courts. 4. The court rejects Torkornoo claim that her removal was unlawful because the committee only confided itself to only the first petition and did not go into the second and third petition. The court finds that on the whole, the committee acted prudently in the interest of judicial economy. 5. The court rejects Torkornoo's claim that she was treated to undignified treatment because she was searched and that her husband and family were excluded from attending the parties, and also that the choice of Adu Lodge was deliberately because of her uncle. The court found that the measures taken to secure the proceedings were lawfully and proportionate. That's Point 6. The court rejected the claim that the committee violated her right by continuing with the removal proceeding, despite the fact that she had filed an application for provisional measures seeking to suspend the proceedings. And also, court not rejected. The last point, point 7. The court holds that Ghana did not violate Torkornoo's right to receive information about the proceedings. That even though Torkornoo is entitled to receive the full report and record of proceedings, she did not even prove that she had first requested for the full report before proceeding to court. Eti way any point baku 7. 7 claims are or the court said yenyina so nanka yemano $10 million na yensan reinstated as the Chief Justice of Ghana and also the Supreme Court judge. Ni na yebo to agu na minim de ntia ma me no na ubeda be sa back. Already Ghana a new Chief Justice. I had Justice for Bafuboni in place. Dada. Aside that, Ghana is so obvious that most Ghanaians. Omo will say well, you man now your name any. Ya kai the way also ever so di family law and family value and a human right law. A papa a friend which is the last guy. Ediba court wa high. Na case in what na so. Parliament. Akoya said the minority abe the majority, na majority abe minority based on the friend say president is here under my quay. MPs are no mun time parliament or mo absentee o mo fe wa ye bo mu na gara we no. Sa no so go ye bi ye ma the minority be ye majority. Case no afenya ma case on na minority citizen to that na duro ho. Or the court had that na the next day na Gertrude Torkornoo the Chief Justice of Africa case in some mra metna say. Na say me wa na 11 case that so the court na international a whole constituency and representative our parliament, but the case no kopie mu I will get it Arabaseki Torkornoo anima case no bo delay 30 for entire 4 years sir for omenya a representative our parliament in the Israel 276 in 275 na why you when na ebeduru be me kai se na nya chachu tigeta Ghana for born abaso a okoji award was in absa na okase Ghana for na video ebido na afena ye dia ne unanimous FC Ghana we are unanimous FC because we are there 5-0 and on sabeka we are there judgment 5-0 can ga say against NDC ni PP 5-0 etina from unanimous FC we ensi Ghana for nsa mo mpa kra so be saba back abe face the Chief Justice. Obe Gertrude Torkornoo ebe Chief Justice view. $10 million no get yamfama no. Anase be aduru no. On bow down. Na only live in peace because enya de be fa. Can tell me e wo comment section na yeah Attorney General and Minister of Justice Deputy Justice Srem-Sai or see the ECOWAS committee has a while ago dismissed all the 7 claims which the former Chief Justice, her leadership, Justice Gertrude Torkornoo, brought against our beloved republic. In respect of her leadership claim for 10 million damages, the court held that in light of the court's conclusion that Ghana has not violated any of the applicant's right under the African Charter as alleged, the court makes no decision on reparation. Thanks again to our team of illustrious state attorneys who put in hours and hours of research to support the Republic's defense. And the way ending the thanking message are the Deputy Attorney General Minister of Justice Srem-Sai, and so at the count was say no agbenya bibia yedi Ghana winning again against Gertrude Torkornoo on the call High Court and Supreme Court and Appeals Court and and then our ECOWAS Community Courts and also and for it. At the catch up your comment section, I say $10 million in Yasin and Sanka. Nanka I saw step aside. Nanka ojini compensation. And I say and all or nothing. I know into unfunny consequences in catch me what comment section. I say, oh yeah, subscribe and like it. Share more as in the video. Edino ever Maxi Billian I will make it true to Oldboga trends. Macau, bye bye.